Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, when I'm going to show you how you can add or delete any button from your iPhone control center. In this case, I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can do to any version of iPhone 17, 15, 14, whatever. So you slide down your control center. You have so many buttons here. You want to add some button, also you want to delete some button. Very easy, simple tutorial. Tap this one. After tapping, you see here add control. Hit this one. You have many buttons. For example, translator you have. After that, different text size, different camera button, scan code button, plane mode button, Bluetooth, whatever you like. You have many buttons to add. Now playing, I hit this one. See, now playing, I add here. After that, just tap, it will stay here. Now how you can delete this one? Tap this one as this. For example, I want to delete this one the same way. Tap the minus button, it will go. For example, focus here or other button. If you want to delete QR code, you hit delete as this, it will go. Tap here, is done. After that, you can use that button very easily. Flash button, for example, camera, so you will have direct access. Very lovely, easy to use. Obviously this one I'm doing on iOS 26. Other version of iOS you will see little bit differ, and if you don't have still iOS 26, check the video description to download and try it on. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.